going on, everybody? Product Probes back at you with another knife review, and today we are looking at the Blackhawk Batangas knife. It is a little trainer butterfly knife. Now, I'm not very good at flipping these things. I've tried and I suck at it. However, got one of our subscribers, Alvaro, over on Instagram. It is trilogy_pig. He's going to be helping us out with this review today. So guys, let's go ahead, let's jump into it, and let's see what this thing's got. Alright guys, let me be close up on this handle. So right here, we'll try to make this thing pretty quick, but as you can see, it's an all aluminum handle, and you can see where they punched out a little bit of that aluminum to make it a little bit lighter in your pocket. Now, it does have that roller latch on the end, and you know, a lot of times with some of these cheaper butterfly knives, that latch right there will come on out. You know, it's loose, it doesn't work, but in this case, it actually seems to be staying in there pretty good. So right here, we can flip it open, and guys, y'all don't laugh at me, but this is what I've got. That's my trick. So let's see if I can at least do that one more time. So I can just boom, might as well be a pro. But right here, and then the roller latch closes again, and it seems to be actually locking in place, which is a great thing for these butterfly knives. Now, as you can see right here, with it closed just like this, right here you do have some jimpings right up here on the spine of the blade, and you can see right here, now you can use this to bend wire, but really I think it's just for aesthetics and also taking out the weight of it. Right here you have your Jabe's Cutlery logo, large little belly on it, not much of a choil right there. Got the Tonto blade uptick right there. Of course, stainless steel. Bam. And then right there, of course, your good old China symbol. Bam. Right there. And now let's close this sucker up. And boom. So, guys, like I said, this is just going to be a quick review. And this is just a small little trainer knife. But I guess the first thing that we need to go do before anything is let's go see how sharp this blade really is. Alright, let's check out the sharpness on this. So, right here with the straight down cut. Ooh, wow, that was not what I was expecting. I was hoping it was going to be a little bit sharper than that, but let's try it at an angle. Seems to do a little bit better at an angle right there, but still I think it might be because it caught that Tonto uptick, but let's test out the point on it. So, minimal push on it. So the tip on it is pretty sharp, but as you can see, guys, well, let me do this. Yeah, you're going to have to really sharpen this sucker up, given it is a trainer, so that might not be too bad if you're flipping it. That way you don't have to worry about really cutting your hand up. But once you get the hang of it, you're going to really want to sharpen this thing up. You know, I don't know. You know, do you sharpen it up or do you keep it kind of dull? I know the point on it is something serious. But, you know, with a trainer, I don't know if they would have made it dull on purpose. That would kind of make sense. And then, you know, when you get ready, go ahead and sharpen that sucker up. But, you know, I don't know much about the butterflies as far as the tricks go. That's why I got old Alvaro doing it for us. But I tell you what, it does feel super lightweight. And like I said, they've cut out a lot of weight on this thing and then making it aluminum, you know, all see-through right here. I'll show you. You can see the guts on it. It's not much to it. So let me show you just like this. You can see all the way through the handles right there. It's just got the two aluminum plates. Not sure how long this will hold up and if these little screws right here will stay in, or the pins rather. You know, they might come off, you know, with a cheaper knife like this. But let's go ahead. Let's go get the weight and measurements of this knife. Alright, let's get the weight on it real quick. So, right here, yeah, it's going to be on the heavier side of things, but, you know, they've tried to cut down on the weight, but for the size, I believe that's still going to be a little bit heavy. Now, let's go ahead. Let's see what the length of it is. So, right here, looks like closed, we're going to be at 4 inches with a 3-inch blade, so that's going to leave us at a 7-inch total length pocket knife right here. You know, it's still just a tad heavy, you know, for a smaller knife like this. However, The blade length is not too bad. And the grip on it, let's see, let's lock this sucker up. You know, the lock is actually, I was pretty surprised by that. But right here in the defensive stance, if you need it, you've got it. Right back here with your thumb, seems to be just fine. Bam, so that roller latch is not going to get in your way either way that you hold it. Got a good grip on it. Let's see if we were to choke up. Y'all, the choke up on it's really not that bad. You know, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have a large choil on it. But having those jimpings right up there, you know, you can move on up a good bit. And again, with that Tonto point, stab, cut, do what you got to do. And then with this being a smaller knife, throw it back in your pocket. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check that out. Let's see what this thing looks like in the pocket. Alright, let's check this thing out in the pocket. So, even though it doesn't have a pocket clip, I like to slide it right here in the back of the pocket. Push down seems to be fine. The print on it is not bad for this smaller knife. I can still fit my hands in my pocket if I need to. And with the pull out, bam, right there. Do what I got to do. I wish I was better at flipping butterfly knives. But then again, lock it right there with that roller latch, can't even talk. But right there, bam, in the pocket again, simple pull out, hardly any print on it. The weight seems to be pretty good. But if you can actually keep that thing from sliding down, which with a tighter pair of jeans might be a little bit better. But overall, guys, this knife seems to be pretty good in the pocket. Well, there you have it, guys. The Jabe's Cutlery Blackhawk Batangas knife, little trainer butterfly. I'm not sure if they still have these on Amazon. I will check and see. I think they did away with the butterfly knives, you know, that have actual blades on them. I know you can get the, you know, plastic little trainers like that. But I'll see if I can find this thing. Now, what I'm going to do is leave y'all with Alvaro actually putting this thing to the test. And if y'all want to go check him out on Instagram, he does stories, he flips, he's really good at it, guys. It is trilogy_pig, and that's over on Instagram, and then Alvaro here on YouTube. So, guys, appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next one.